Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a reset button for filters in Power BI Desktop, Bookmark Method. Let's dive right in and explore why you might need a reset button in Power BI Desktop. Imagine you're working on a complex report, applying multiple filters and slicers to drill down into your data. You find insightful details, but then you need to return to the original, clean state of your report. Without a reset button, you'd have to manually deselect each filter, which can be time-consuming and prone to error. A reset button offers a quick, one-click solution to revert to a preset view, ensuring that you or anyone else viewing the report can instantly go back to the default setup. This tool is incredibly beneficial for maintaining a smooth and efficient workflow, making your reporting experience more user-friendly and less cumbersome. Now, let's walk through the steps on how to set this up in Power BI Desktop. First things first, get your report into the exact state you want it to reset to. This means turning off any active filters or slicers and arranging your visuals into the desired default view. It's crucial to take a moment to ensure your page looks perfect, because this will be the state to which the reset button will return you. Think of it as capturing the pristine condition of your report, ready to be revisited at any time. Once you have your ideal view set up, navigate to the View tab located at the top of the Power BI Desktop interface. Here, you will want to activate the Bookmarks pane. This action will open a sidebar where you can manage your bookmarks. Click to add a new bookmark, which will capture the current state of your page, including all existing slicers and filters. It's wise to give this bookmark a clear, descriptive name, such as Reset, to easily identify it later. With your bookmark successfully created, the next step is to add a button that will allow you to use this bookmark effectively. Head over to the Insert tab and choose to add a new button. When selecting the type of button, choose Navigator and then opt for Bookmark Navigator. This choice will automatically create a clickable button linked to the bookmarks on your page. If you have existing bookmarks, you can hide them to ensure that only your reset bookmark is visible. This keeps the interface clean and prevents any confusion for those interacting with the report, ensuring a straightforward reset experience. Position this new button somewhere prominent on your report page, where it's easy to find. You might want to adjust its size and text to clearly communicate its function. For example, you can label it Reset Filters or simply Reset to make its purpose obvious to everyone using the report. The Bookmark Navigator will handle the process of returning to the captured state when clicked, making the reset process seamless. Now it's time to test your setup. Apply some filters, make a few slicer selections, and interact with the report just as you normally would. When you're ready to return to the clean original view you captured earlier, simply click on the Reset button. You should see the entire page revert to that saved state almost instantaneously, with all visuals and slicers back to your baseline configuration. And there you have it. You've successfully created a quick and reliable reset button using a bookmark and a Bookmark Navigator button. This small addition significantly enhances the usability of your report, making the analysis process more efficient and consistent. We hope this tutorial has made it easier for you to learn how to add a reset button for filters in Power BI Desktop, Bookmark Method. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.